Home Remedies presents the one remedy to try for uric acid, gout, and arthritis. Increased uric acid is believed to be a common cause of serious health problems such as arthritis, joint pain, gout, a type of arthritis, and inflammation. When uric acid starts to be produced in excess in the body, people suffer from many diseases. It is recommended to high uric acid patients to take more fluids. In such a situation, potato juice may be effective in controlling uric acid. Yes, did you know that potato juice works wonders for gout by flushing out the uric acid from your body? How is potato helpful? Potatoes are considered fatty food by people, so they avoid them. But for those who have high uric acid problem, using potato is beneficial. The juice released from this will relieve people from this problem. Uric acid is not really a good sign for you anyway because it shows and it tells you it's a biofeedback from your body telling you that your kidney isn't working right. Your kidney is unable to remove uric acid from your body. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Drinking potato juice makes it easy for the body to release uric acid. This is a detox drink which removes all the toxic substances present in the body. Apart from this, drinking it also increases the activation of the kidney and is able to filter smoothly, reduces arthritis. Drinking potato juice is also very beneficial for arthritis or arthritis patients. Potato juice reduces joint pain and swelling. Additionally, it also improves blood circulation in the body. This will provide relief from pain and inflammation. Here's how to make potato juice. To make it, first wash all the potatoes thoroughly. Now remove the peel of potatoes and grate them. Strain the juice from the grated potatoes. Potato juice is ready. You can drink it immediately. Dosage. Raw potato juice has the ability to break down and flush out uric acid from your body. So if you suffer from that uric acid, gout, or arthritis, it's a great option for you to try and get on the raw potato juice, 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass at night. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.